poor pineapple car. Papa, look! The fruit festival has finally started! It's so beautiful! Wow! Papa! If we could make a police car with a pineapple, it would be so cool!
Nothing is impossible. Come on, let's try to make it happen.
My poor pineapple car.
Papa, they broke it on purpose! Look at my beautiful car!
It's all right, son. Tell me everything.
Small dreams may break, son, but big dreams never stop. We will build something even better. We need even more powerful parts for this new mission.
Papa, I'm back! Let's build the strongest car in the world! Wow! Look at those lights, Papa! It's so bright! Look! The pineapple police is here! It's incredible!
Calling Little Police Hero! A bus by the roadside. Passengers need help immediately.
Roger that!
We're on our way, Papa.
Hang on! The pineapple police is here to save you!
We were wrong to break your car just because we were jealous. We are very sorry. Please forgive us.
A true hero doesn't take revenge, he stands by people. I forgive you, friends.
If you liked our adventure, please like, share, and subscribe. See you again for a new story.
Whoa!
Papa, can we make a car that gets its power from the rainbow?
Nothing is impossible, my little hero. Let's get to work.
Wow!
we're stuck! We have a patient who needs to get to the hospital immediately!
Muddy!
Thank you, little hero. Because of you, the patient is safe.
You're welcome, doctor. Happy to help.
I'm too high up! I can't get down! Hang on, little one! I'm coming to get you!
Thank you for saving our baby. You are a real hero. He's safe now. I'm so happy to help. Oh, a giant tree has blocked the whole road, Papa. Oh no! The bus is stuck on the bridge. We have to help them, Papa. I've got you. Just a little more. Hooray! You saved us. Thank you, little hero.
You are our little hero. Wear this with pride.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. I'll always be ready to help.
Today you have become a true hero, my son.
Being a hero means helping everyone.
Meow wow!
Meow wow!
If you liked the video,
Hit like, share, and subscribe.
see you again in a new great adventure.